5 British English phrases that you can use in your daily conversation. The phrases we are going to learn today, these phrases you can use at workplace, at home, or at coffee shop too. Let's get the ball rolling without wasting any time. First one, pop in. Pop in means to go or visit somewhere briefly. For instance, you can say, I'll pop into the shop and grab some milk. Why don't you pop in for a cup of tea? Second one, carry on. It means to continue doing something. For instance, you can say, please carry on with your work. Or you can say, sorry for interrupting. Please carry on. Third one, pop out. It means to leave briefly, usually to go somewhere nearby. For instance, you can say, she popped out to get some lunch. I'm just going to pop out for some fresh air. Fourth one, get on with it. It means to continue or start doing something without wasting any time. For instance, you can say, I've got a lot of work to do, so let's get on with it. Stop worrying and get on with it. Last one, give it a go. It means to try something and see if it works. For instance, you can say, I've never tried skiing, but I'll give it a go. You should give it a go. You might like it. Now, these 5 British English phrases that we have learned in our today's session, I hope that you've noted down and made some notes with these phrases. So try to recall these phrases and use these phrases in your daily practical situations. If you want more short videos like these smart vocabulary words to upgrade your English speaking, write yes in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.